How to use the show work feature. On some of the quizzes and tests, you'll have a few problems that say show work. That gives you a chance that I can see you know what you're doing and also to give you some feedback. When I click on show work, this box will appear. We look over here at our problem. It says solve and check this two-step equation. Some students simply like to work on paper, take a snapshot, and they can upload it here. And then some students don't want to fool with doing that. They just want to write out their work here real quick. If I click on right here, that's the text, and I can pick font sizes and such, but I don't need to do that. And I simply type on my keyboard here. And to solve this, the next thing I would want to do is add 6 to both sides. So I'll put a +6 under both sides. And this doesn't have to be real beautiful. You can see it's not going to be. And these 6s will cancel out. Well, how do I show that? I can also have a pen feature here I can use right up here where I can draw. So let's just finish the typing. So that'll leave me 8x after the 6's cross out equals to 64. And then I would divide both sides by 8. I usually show that by putting an 8 underneath both sides. Again, I do need a division line, but I'll pick up that later. And finally, I know that 64 divided by 8 is 8. Okay. Now, to get to the pen feature right here, you can pick what size you want. Use a little larger, makes it easier for me. Like I said, I'm not super neat with this, but so I've got 8x minus 6. I added my 6, so that cancels. And then I usually draw a line between my work and bring down the 8x. And the 58 plus 6 is 64. And then I'm dividing both sides by 8, so I'm going to draw a line there to show I did that. This crosses out here, and I'm left with my answer, x equal 8. Another option is simply to use the pen. It depends on your device. I find it a little bit difficult on this particular computer, but I can muddle my way through it. Again, this does not have to be perfection, and you're not going to have to do this on every problem.